What do you think?
The remotes are interfering with each other.
They sure are. I think the Chinese is really ripping us off.
It's a little glitch, probably.
Or maybe they just forget to. Oh my lord.
When it doesn't work with a remote, that's not hand. It says remote.
Alright, let me see something.
This one, no.
Everything in the battery good?
Yeah.
Let's put brand new batteries in there.
Oh, Ma, I mean, where is my? Oh, Ma, I mean, where is my? Oh, Ma, I mean, where is my? Hey, Ma, I mean, where is my?
Give me what you doing.
Hey, Ma.
That's crazy. Yeah, yeah.
This one?
Which one? For you?
Yeah.
You know when you open, watch. It's only when you use the driving part on the remote. Hold on, Kimani, hold on. When you move the left part, one car move, but when you move the right one, the boat move. See, so that's the problem right there. See, when you move the right, see, the boat move. When you move the left, only the car, which is that car supposed to be moving only, moves. Leave it, Winnie. All right. So I don't know. I've never seen this in all my life yet. Look, never seen it.